What's the meaning of Blu-tack? Blu-tack. Blu-tack.
Blu-tack. Blu-tack. Blu-tack is a reusable adhesive made from a synthetic rubber compound. It is commonly used to temporarily attach objects to walls, doors, or other surfaces without leaving any residue behind. Blu-tack is flexible and moldable, allowing it to conform to the shape of the object being attached. It is also waterproof, making it suitable for use in human environments such as bathrooms or kitchens. Since it can be reused multiple times, Blu-tack is often considered an eco-friendly alternative to traditional adhesives. It is widely used in homes, schools, offices, and art studios for a variety of purposes, including hanging posters, holding up notes, and securing small items.